Alright guys, so when dealing with these 4-ounce little cans of Pour 15, often people think that you have to throw them out once you open them. Here's my tip. The key is to never pry the lid open. So what I did is I just stabbed the top of it with some kind of punch to make a little hole, and then once you have that little hole, you can tip it on its side and squirt just a little bit out into this ridge right here and dip your paintbrush in this ridge. So keep dipping the paintbrush in the wet paint here, tip it back up, let it sit. When you're ready for more paint, just tip it up, the paint will pour out of this hole right here, and when you're done for the day, just take a self-tapping screw, like this is a sheet metal screw, and just run it in through the hole. It'll self-tap its own threads as long as the hole you punched is smaller diameter than the screw itself. And then once the screw bottoms out, you have so much Pour 15 on the lid here that the bottom surface of the head of the screw will seal itself around the hole you just made. So when you come back a week later and you want to paint another project, I highly recommend you use a sheet metal screw that has a hex head, so you don't have to worry about rounding out the Phillips head. So this happens to have a 10 millimeter. Just going to get in there, break it loose. So once you have it backed out all the way, you can see your little counter bore there, kind of made with the paint in the head of the bolt. And set this aside, and go ahead, give it a shake with your thumb over the hole. Of course, you're wearing gloves. And then you can go ahead and pour some out again. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment, subscribe, give this video a like, and let me know what you think.